everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Korean skincare review. So today I am reviewing this one single product from Purito, and if you haven't heard of Purito, it's an affordable Korean skincare brand. I have previously reviewed 4 of their products. It has been a while, so I've already finished all 4 products from the previous round, but yeah, I was suffering from hormonal acne breakouts. As you might already know if you watch my previous or recent skincare related videos, you might know that. So this time around I actually approached them first and asked if they have anything that they think can help my acne problem, and so they have very kindly sent me 2 bottles of this product here, which is the ABP Triple Synergy Liquid. So I've been using this product for a really long time right now. I want to say like 3 to 4 months, and I've actually finished my very first bottle already, and this is a really quick and short rant, but basically when I finished my first bottle I was really excited to show you guys, like, look, I finished my very first bottle, this is my second one. And so I remember keeping that empty bottle somewhere in my room because I know that if I just leave it in the bathroom or something, my mom would definitely throw it away. But for some reason she still managed to find that empty bottle and throw it away. I mean, it's trash, but it's not really trash until I show you guys. But I feel like I'm always saying this, like, oh, I've finished this product but I can't show you guys because my mom threw it away, and like at this point it just annoys me because I even kept it and she still managed to throw it away. So yeah, that just kind of annoys me. But yeah, I've been using this product for a really long time and this is my second bottle. Okay, so throughout the past 3 to 4 months while I was using this product, I've also documented my journey with it. So in today's review, I will not only just talk about my experience with this product with you guys, but I'll also show you guys clips and photos of my acne condition to show you guys how this product has helped improve my acne condition. Okay, so the ABP Triple Synergy Liquid is a mild exfoliating product that is made to replace either your serum or your toner. So similar to all the other products from Purito, this product comes in a very simple and functional packaging. It is slim and very lightweight because it's a plastic bottle, which makes it very convenient for me because it makes it very easy to put into my toiletries bag, and it's good because I go to the gym very often. So the product itself is clear and has a thick water consistency. I have oily skin and so I'm very sensitive to oily products. Thankfully this product just feels like a thick water, if that makes sense, and it gets absorbed in very quickly without making my skin feel sticky or oily. So I don't think this product contains any artificial fragrance in it because it doesn't have a strong or a particular scent to it. It's not smelly, but I'm not fond of the scent. Thankfully it goes away very quickly and it's very mild. Okay, so what is ABP? ABP basically stands for AHA, BHA and PHA, which are 3 very popular acids found in a lot of skincare products. I'm pretty sure by now you have heard of AHA, BHA and PHA. I have mentioned them so many times in so many different skincare related videos, but if you still don't know about them, just to give a really simple explanation again, these 3 acids have similar function but they work a little bit differently. But their main function is to exfoliate and deep cleanse, which is why this is an exfoliating product. So once again, 3 acids in one product might sound a little bit scary to those of you who have sensitive skin, but not to worry because Purito's products are known to be very gentle and suitable for all skin types. Also, while I was using this product, I have never felt any unpleasant feeling or like stinging effect from this product, and I've never felt my skin getting irritated by it. Overall, I just feel like this feels very gentle on my skin, so you don't have to worry about like 3 acids in one product. Okay, so like I said, this product is meant to replace either your serum or your toner. So if you want to use it as a serum, basically just pump like 3 to 4 pumps on your hand and then just pat it onto your face. If you want to use it as a toner, you can put it on a cotton pad and then just sweep it all over your face. For me, I use it to replace my toner, and so I use the cotton pad method. Also because I want to amplify the exfoliating effects, and so I feel like putting it on a cotton pad and using it to sweep around my face makes it a lot more effective. Sometimes when I decide to pop a pimple, I will also pump like 3 to 4 pumps on a cotton pad and I'll just place that over the pimple, and I find that that really helps to soothe the irritation, and it also stops the bacteria from spreading all around my face. Okay, so now I will show you guys a couple of really gross photos of how my acne looked like 3 to 4 months ago. I think maybe 4 months ago. So this was how my acne looked like. As you can see, it's very bad. It has like a lot of scars, and there were a lot of active spots still, so together it just looks bad, I guess. Hi everyone, this is the 3rd week since I started using the ABP Triple Synergy Liquid, and this is how my skin looks like right now. These are just the scars left over, but they're not like active spots anymore, so I think that's great because I've been breaking out constantly. So this is like the first time in 2 months maybe, or 3 months, that I do not have any active spots, and these are just the scars. So I just cleansed my face and I'm about to apply the ABP Triple Synergy Liquid as my toner. And how I do it, I just pump like 4 pumps on a cotton pad, and then I just go over my face. I make sure to go over my jawline a couple of more times in like this upward motion to help exfoliate the area more, and we're done. I always get a lot of comments saying that my skin is nice, but it's actually not nice. It's not perfect, but yeah. So for me, I feel like one of my main concern was definitely the blemishes and the scars, because those really take a very long time to go away compared to the actual pimple. Like pimples probably take like a week, but those scars can take like months. So that was my biggest issue, and I feel like the scars just made everything look worse. So for me, I feel like the scars was one of my biggest issue, because not only they recover slowly, but they also accumulated non-stop. Okay, so fast forward few months later, this is how my skin looks like at the moment. It is not perfect as compared to maybe 6 months ago, but I feel like it definitely had a huge improvement since the first few photos that you saw. Personally, I feel like this product is not strong enough to help clear and prevent hormonal acne like really quickly, because hormonal acne is dependent on my hormones, and so it's not because like my skin is dirty, I didn't clean it well, or my pores are like clogged and everything. It's not because of that, it's because of my hormones. So I feel like this product is not strong enough to prevent that, because during the past 4 months, while I saw improvements in my skin, whenever I feel stress, I immediately get like acne popping out of the same area again. I think if your acne condition is more mild, you'll probably be able to see a much more significant difference, but if your acne problem is as bad as mine, then this product is definitely not strong enough. I do think that this product helps to speed up the recovery process because of its ability to gently exfoliate my skin every day, but to simply put, I just don't rely on this one single product to help clear my acne. Like, I feel like this product definitely plays a huge and important role, but I do use other stronger products to help clear my acne problems. Overall, I do like this product. I mean, I've been using it for months and I've never thought of switching out my toner, but I believe that it's very important that when you're suffering from a breakout, you do not use harsh and drying products. So a scrub is definitely a no during times like this. In fact, a really harsh scrub will actually make everything worse. But at the same time, you'll still need to exfoliate your skin, so your spot treatments and your other skincare products will be able to sink into your skin and work more effectively. So instead of using a scrub, it is more recommended to use an acid exfoliator, which is basically AHA, BHA, and PHA. Since I was left with multiple acne scars, exfoliating regularly will also help the scars fade away faster. If you're not suffering from acne, I think that this is a great product to use as a daily gentle exfoliator, plus it's very affordable. So if you're interested to try this product out, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below as always. I know you guys are probably really curious about my current skincare routine. I will upload an updated one. But for now, we've come to the end of today's review. I hope this review is helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!